Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are keeping safe. A little bit of study time right now. We'll be dealing with Maths Chapter 3, Large Numbers. In this particular chapter, we will basically focus on Indian place value chart, that is Indian system of numeration. So let us see what is there in this. We'll go through the chapter through these slides. The learning objectives of this is to identify the place value of digits using Indian numeration system and use this knowledge to read and write numbers of any size. Any size means any large number. Numeral system is also called system of numeration. It is a system for expressing numbers using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. The number the numeral represents is called its value. Commonly used system of numerals are Indo-Arabic numeral system, also called as Indian system of numeration, and International system of numeration. But here we are going to learn only about the Indian system of numeration. Later on, we'll be dealing with International system of numeration. So let us see what is there in Indian system. In Indian system, we start grouping the number from right in group of 3 and further in group of 2. The place value chart have been separated into groups called periods, and the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. If you see this chart, this is the Indian place value chart. There are certain groups. There are certain groups over here which you can see as ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. These all are periods. Now the places, the first group or the first period, which is ones, has 3 places, and those 3 places are ones, tens, and hundreds. The next period towards the left is thousands, and the 2 places are 10,000s and 1,000. Similarly, the next period is lakhs with 2 places, 10 lakhs and lakhs. And then crores with again 2 places, 10 crores and crores. An important point to remember, if we start grouping the number from right in group of 3 and then we group it further in group of 2. So let us see this use of place value chart to read and write any large number. Now making periods according to Indian system of numeration. Different periods like ones, thousands, lakhs and crores are separated by comma, or we can also give some space between the period, and it should start from the right hand side to differentiate the periods. We start with the first period named as ones period, that consists of the first 3 digits. The second period, that is 1,000, consisting of 2 digits. Similarly, lakhs and crores again consisting of 2 digits. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Let us take this large number. Now how to give a name or how to read this and write this particular large number. In order to do this, we will make use of place value chart. See, we have grouped them, grouped the digits according to the period. The first period ones, then going for the thousands, lakhs and crores. If you see the first grouping, I can show you it is of 3 digits. The first period consisting of 3 digits or 3 places. And then further thousands, 2 place, lakhs, 2 place and crores, 2 place. Now how to read this number? How can I give this number? The rules are like we have separated the period giving the space, but we can also put commas. Instead, we can also put commas to separate the period. Now, how to read that particular number? While reading a large number, the digits in a period are read as one number followed by the period name, except in case of one's period. Now, step 1 was the marks period according to the chart. We have marked it. We have placed commas. Now, how to read? Now, the starting point is crore. When we see, we have by placing the digits, the starting place is crores. So, the crores place, the value is 11. So, we'll read it as 11 crores. Next period, the value is 54. So we'll read it as 54 lakhs. Next period is thousands and value there is 8. But 8,000 has two places. The two places has to be filled up together. So 8 has to be written as 08. So 8,000. And the first period that was once, which was holding three places together, we read it together as 453. So all together we can read this number, or we can name this number as 11 crore 54 lakh 8,453. So this is how we can read any large number, or we can name any large number. I hope this is clear. The main point to remember is you will group them first of all, and grouping you will start from right hand side consisting of 3 digits belonging to the period ones, and followed up with thousand, lakhs and crores with 2 periods or 2 places each. This is how you are going to read or name any large numbers. Now how to write the numbers from words? Suppose this is the example which is written as 9 crore 2 lakh 12,042. We can again make use of those Indian place value chart, or we can group them, and we should see the starting point. We'll prepare the period like this. We have prepared. Now see the start point. The starting period of the number name in this period is 9 crore. So we'll write there as 9 crores. This is the start period. Next period is lakh, and the number 2 lakh is 2 lakh. The value for lakh is 2 lakh. Now the value allotted for 1000 is 12,000. So we'll write it as 12,000, and the next group or the next period, the value is 42. So we'll write it as 42, but we have to remember the first period, that is 1, should hold 3 place. So 42, in order to make 42 as 3 digits, we'll write it as 042. So this is how you have converted words into figure. So this 9 crore 2 lakh 12,042 in figure can be written like this by replacing the commas. 9 crores 2 lakh 12,042. Once again, let us deal with this example. This was in words 9 crore 2 lakh 12,042. We have made use of the place value chart. The first starting point was crore. So crore should have 2 places. So 9 should be written as 09, but we can ignore 0 in the beginning. So 9 crore, and the next period is your lakhs. The value for in the lakh is 2. So remember, we have to fill 2 places. So this 2 has to be written as 02. Then similarly in 1000 periods, it is 12,000. So both the places have been filled up, 12,000, and the last is your ones. Here the value is 42. But remember, the first group is of 3 places. So 42 has to be written as 042. So this particular number in words in figure can be written like this by separating the comma. So next, let us learn about the place value. Let us learn about the place value over here. So these whole numbers are basically made up of units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. This is one of the large number where we have made use of commas to separate the period. Now here we'll see what is the place value of the underlying digits. So by making use of the Indian place value chart, again we place it, we'll group them. Already it is grouped. Now let us see how to make use of place value chart in order to know the place value, or write the place value in figures or in words. So this is how you have placed the digits in the place value chart. All the digits have been allotted to their places and the period. So the underlying digit was 8. So 8 here lies in the tens place of the first period ones. So here the value of 8 is 8 tens, that is 80. 8 tens is 80. So this is in words and this is in figure. The next underlying digits will take up 7. So 7 is here in 10 crores place. So the value of 7 here is 710 crores. The value of 7 is 710 crores, which can be written in figure. You place 7 in 10 crores and rest all will be filled up with zeros. All the places you must fill with zeros. So you get 710 crores in figure, both in words as well as in figures. You must know how to write the place value in both the ways. Next underlined digit was 6. So 6 is in which place? It is in the lakhs place. So the place value of 6 is 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. So write the 6 in lakhs place, and rest all places should be filled up with zeros. So this is how you are able to write 6 lakhs in figure. So this is how you will make use of place value chart in order to write the place value as well. I hope this is very clear to all of you. Now, based on this session, you will be checking your websites for this particular assignment, which you will be practicing in your rough register. Make sure that you practice this particular assignment in your rough register. Now, how to prepare your copy by taking your book? Just look over this, that the Indian place value chart. You will take help of this page in order to do your copy work. This is how you will prepare your copy. You will present your work. And seeing your book, exercise number 3, you will start solving the given assignment or the marked sums given here in this video. You will be doing this particular sums in your classwork copy. So this is how you will be presenting your work. And please mark the sums, like exercise 3, question number 1, EFGH, question number 2, EFGH, question number 3, EFGH, question number 4, CD. This assignment or this classwork you have to do in your classwork copy based on this session. Please review this, how to present your work in your copy, writing the questions, and then following the solution. So this is how you will start your copy work. This is all about the Indian place value system. In the next section, we will be learning about the international system of numeration. Thank you and have a good day.